Hello, my name is William. I want to share this project with you. Um, Today I want to model this clamping tool. I think it's called clamping tool in English. I'm not sure about it. I think this project is good for beginners because we have only few parts in this assembly and all parts are very simple. On the left side we have the drawing. I will use this as a reference. And yeah, we have also measurements. I'm not sure how to use measurements in plasticity because I didn't figure out the right way until now. If you have some idea, maybe you can share it with me in the comment. I have my own workflow, and yeah, since my English is not very good, I will not talk a lot in this tutorial. Just in some moments I will share my thoughts, but most of the time I will be quiet. I will put some music, and I hope you will enjoy it. And yeah, let's get started. So I think I'm finished with the first sketch, the first part. Since we can mirror it, we need only one side of it. And to be honest, I had some troubles with the angles. I had to figure out how to do it. But finally I used this way. I just made a line. Oh, I will just delete it. And I will just create it. I use this way to make this 90 degrees angle. I made a line. You see we have now the values popping up. And if you press tab, you can just switch between them. And then I switch to the right value and I put 135 in it. And I just created this cross section, and then I delete this. I trim it with the trim tool, and now we should have the right angle. In general, if I want to put the right values on the sketch, because it's not very easy in Plasticity, I just use this workflow. I take the point and change the value, and if you press shift, it can be very precise. So before I just create like this sketch very roughly, and then I put the measurements on it, like this. And after that, you can just change the value. That's my way. I hope it's okay. Yeah, and now I will continue with the mirror, and after that I will create the solid part, the extrude. So I finished my first part of this assembly. I know that Plasticity is more for concept, and as soon you want to work more precisely, things get quite difficult. So it's not easy to recreate this kind of parts without sketching functionality and constraints, for example. If you have some advice for me or some idea to improve my workflow, please share it with me in the comment section. For my part, I will go on with the position tool, and yeah, let's see how this works.